Residents of Kalapara village in Santirbazar have been without electricity for over a month due to a faulty underground LT line near the railway tracks. Despite former complaints, the Bakafa electrical department has failed to take action. The prolonged outage has paralyzed essential services. Electric water pumps are non-functional, causing a severe drinking water crisis. Additionally, schools have stopped providing midday meals as cooking have been impossible, leaving students hungry. Frustrated by the authorities' negligence, locals take a protest at the electrical SDO's office. They have threatened a massive road blockade and further agitation if power and water services are not restored immediately.
Tui man yang itu nggo mas kaisa kata ting tok ha tui kerei iskul bo mas hang ya serai rok mas ya seung no bo bahai nya serai rok lumui tong bayo kuani tui ngai nyai tabuk to wa tui ni sijon malaria yang imano diarrhea ma jagi mano ke kulum ke sangke to nangnai bele boni bagai जों tin badyo goto जों tin karan office ma phaika borok sawo tinin bising thang nyai nyai ni sawo borok जों lama kotor oborot khaijai ara andolon khaijai जों tui ni bagai na sana musuko angke daiti na tini khana sani bisi jono tuirana ningthong abo nayo जों सरकारनि थानि दाबि abo Chini family hinke aro joto milioi chakma mok deborma jomatiari ang milioi 500 tongu Chinaro 500 poribat
Zara
man hinke mas kaisa kata ingkha April ni 16 tarik de 17 tarik si wati phaigan aprin chimi bondong mani karan si phalia
Bopara
Kalapara जों कुवानि दै नंलाय दङ फुबले बेले आबो नङै सेता कंग्राय ngै दङ कुसुकमानि माजागै दङ सरायबो सारग लुमै दङ बारा बाध्य गतै जों तिनि कारण अफिस मा फाइलेका वातिनि दैबो किसे किसे यासागै नालाय माइमि संलाय मानि Reported by Bikram from Santirbazar, Chini, Khorang.